I'm here with Dave DiMuzio, director of the Audrain Automobile Museum. We've gotten a sneak preview, Horseless to Horsepower, the new exhibit opening this month. Dave, thanks for having us in, and what an unbelievable display. I'm just blown away.
Well, thanks for coming. Yeah, we have 15 cars, 12 of them we've never shown before from our collections. We rotate the exhibitions every 3 or 4 months and offer something new to the public. So it's a great way to keep coming, having people keep coming back and enjoying the, what's in our collections of over 250 cars.
Wow. So before the show, you were talking a little bit about your effort to preserve some Newport history, one car at a time.
Yeah, preserving Newport history, one car at a time is one of our curatorial taglines. And this is one of the poster childs for that. It's a 1938 V12 Packard, one of the few surviving, but what's important to us is it has Newport history. It was purchased in 1938 by Doris Duke, at that time 25 years old, the wealthiest woman in America, heiress to the American tobacco fortune. She bought the rolling chassis in Manhattan and had the Ralston Coachwork Company put a custom body on it in New York. And she was then chauffeured between their family farm, Duke Farms in New Jersey, up to Newport in the summer, where the family had their summer cottage, if you will, at the end of Bellevue Avenue called Rough Point.
Wow. So this car's actually been in Rhode Island almost all its life, is
that
right?
Yes, it basically lived between the farm in New Jersey and Newport, Rhode Island, its whole life. We found it maybe 5 or 6 years ago, owned by a guy in Providence. So we were able to acquire it from him. He had done most of the major restoration, and we sort of took it to finish. So it's near concourse quality now, but we actually drive it. We drive all the cars in the collection. Really important to us to keep them running, maintain them, enjoy the visceral qualities of driving old cars. Really important.
And this is a particularly interesting body style, so the back actually drops.
Yeah, so they call this a modern landaulet, so it's a convertible. So when Doris was sitting in the back seat, you could put the top down and be seen. Otherwise, no side quarter window, so she has privacy while being chauffeured.
And of course, the traditional separation between the driver and a small little phone to pick up. And
she had a phone, she had a radio in there. There's also a speedometer and a clock, so she can see how fast they were driving in her compartment.
So bodied by Royalston, so to a great degree this was custom ordered, meaning some of the little attributes may have actually been specified.
Absolutely. It wasn't uncommon for high-end Packard as well as other brands. You were essentially buying a rolling chassis, and you were choosing a coach maker to put a body of your specification on the car.
Very good. So this is a perfect running, driving, concourse condition, almost probably better than it was when it was new.
I dare say so, yes.
That's great.
But it runs and drives perfectly, and we enjoy driving around in the summer. We take it down to Rough Point for special events. We like to share it with the public, for sure. Yeah.
That's terrific. Well, there's just so many wonderful cars here, and I think that if people come down, they're really going to get a perspective from some of the locomobile that you have here, all the way through this Packard. We see Rolls, we see Marmons, even the Bugatti, a special item on the floor here.
Yeah.
Dave, thanks for spending some time with us and showing us around. I'm Dirk Burrowes for Classic Drive Television. Stay tuned, we've got more to show you.